Hey, buddy, good morning. Hey, our videos, Lisa, you just talked about, we're going to redo all of them because now Ben and I, we're working on a small studio. Oh, it's going to be awesome. So I have high quality lighting, better sound, better video quality. So that's coming soon. So I'm pumped about that. It's going to actually make a big difference because I watch some of these videos, guys. I know they're granular.
I
I
love it.
get it.
I love it.
I know Naughter loves it. I get it. Low tech guy in a high tech world. Totally agree. And they're organic. They are us. That's who we are. But again, the quality does need to improve. So we're on it. Real quick, though, on the product side, Ben, a lot of stuff is coming at you here. I hope we're not spending any. We need to save our money, man, because I'm about to spend a bunch of it on product. A lot, actually. So I've decided we're going to go after household cleaning. We've got that right here coming soon. And right behind that, we're a reminder on that real quick, guys. The reason, like when Ben and Lisa talk on our Zooms, you'll sometimes hear Ben say something like, Lisa cares about what goes on her body just as much as what she cares what goes in her body. And leaving the bad stuff out is really important. There's a reason for that, like artificial fragrances, cleaning supplies, stuff, soaps, detergents, things we're putting on our body. You would be surprised and shocked by how many chemicals and impurities are in those products and that is going on our skin and in our body. So we have a huge opportunity, guys, here to bring out some really great cleaning household supply type products that are going to leave out all of that bad stuff. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I think that's a huge part. I think that's a huge part to the wellness model that, and you guys have been asking for it. So good news, that's on its way. We're also, the children's gummy had a slight delay only because I went back and changed the formula again, and it's really difficult in a gummy to ensure stability and make sure you can get everything in there. So guys, that's coming. I mean, we're already in the works on that, but just letting you know, there's been some slight delays. So we're still looking at a February launch on that. There is the protein, the chocolate protein's coming out really very soon within the next 30 days. There's a bunch of stuff here. We've got, the hormonal support product. Women's hormonal support product is coming out right behind that. And then there's fulvic and humic acid. So these minerals that are just really important, trace minerals. And we're coming out with a fantastic hydration product. We are, as a society, let me just say, we don't hydrate properly. And water by itself is great up until a certain point, especially for those athletes out there. The solution to pollution is dilution. We do need to hydrate. Think about that because toxicity, environmental, foods, or crappy product, whatever it is. But if you're having a hard time detoxing, we really do need to be properly hydrated. Our cells need it. Guys, we're made up mostly of water. Ben, absolutely love it. You and I see all the benefit from it. I know a lot of people are. The market is really turning on for hydration products. And yeah, so we're going to come out with an awesome one.